as I'm coming from a hybrid of industry in terms of Islamic finance and technology, because I'm working in a software firm, so I'm aware, quite concerned with the technology trends and what technology can actually help the Islamic banks or microfinance institution to achieve. So I think that can be a discussion, definitely, certainly, so that actually why they should need a proper, what I can say, a softer solution. What a solution can make, like for like solution, as we are talking about blockchains for fintech, so that they can track the money movement. Similarly, the core banking solution are also helping the banks. I think it's been a while, but the thing is, they are actually also helping banks to be more Sharia compliant in different areas. Like when we are actually like, from our experience, we are offering our solution to banks. They are doing dual banking, like window banking. They have the conventional banking and the Islamic banking themselves. So when you have a robust system, then it is more easier for you to maintain different Sharia issues. Like when we were starting at ESIF, there was always a Sharia issue that when we were considering the window banking, how the fund segregation will be done. If there is any, if there is not a proper fund segregation in between the conventional and the Islamic counterpart, then definitely it's a big Sharia violation. But with the emergence of what I can say, powerful core banking solution, it is now not a big issue. So what I'd love to believe that technologies can ensure your Sharia compliance also. So you should focus on technologies, and also where our like if you spend money in technology, if you grab better technology, you can reduce other costing. Like what we are doing to our customer, like we're coming up with agent banking, branchless banking. So with our solution, they can actually reduce huge administrative cost. And that's a plus. So if you can get a right solution for you in terms of technology, then definitely you can come up with better services, because you are reducing other costs. Like these are fixed costs. Like agent banking, you don't have to have a branch. For boot banking, you don't need a branch. So this branchless banking will reduce your cost, and you can be more profitable. And certainly, technology can help you to be more Sharia compliant. And similar is also true for microfinance institution also. I love to believe that what our microfinance institutions are achieving, they can do way better if they are actually adopt latest technologies. Because like in our place, we have cloud-based SaaS model where they can rent a powerful core banking engine. They don't have to come up with a huge cost, because microfinance, they don't have much, what I can say, funding. So at this stage, they are always scared of getting a hand into a powerful core banking engine, because mostly they are expensive. But currently we are coming up with solution where they can actually, like under our cloud-based SaaS model, they can actually rent our solution on monthly basis. So they don't have to spend a huge amount upfront. So these are the places. I think I would love to say that the technology can help you grow in terms of the company, and also to ensure your Sharia compliance.
Right. And you can also help conventional banks or conventional financial institutions who don't know anything about Islamic finance. They're Muslim, non-Muslim, doesn't make any difference, but they would like to leave everything to you guys. So do you think that maybe you can help them?
Yes, certainly. From our experience, we had that experience. Well, alhamdulillah, I personally has a hands-on experience educating a conventional bank. This is one of the largest conventional bank with more than 1,200 branches. Now they have decided to open Islamic banking for their customers. But they were unaware of Islamic banking practices. Yes, they have the intention, like their top management wants to get a pie in Islamic banking industry, but the people who will actually work, who will run the institution, they hardly know anything about Islamic banking. So at that stage, we said, okay, don't worry. we will help you because we are in the industry more than 2 decades. We have tons of experienced people who have the domain knowledge and also the technological knowledge. So we will help you, and alhamdulillah, we did. So we would love to say you that we are in the process of implementing in 1,200 branches of that particular bank. Currently, we have covered around 70 plus branches. So it's going to be a long process because, 1,200 branches is not a matter of joke. And certainly, and as I can assure you that that's actually give a vibe that our solution is highly scalable so that we are confident enough to serve their 1,200 plus branches. We are actually coming up with cutting edge solution, and also we are coming up with some Sharia-based assistance and what I can say consultancy with free of charge. We do it for the sake of betterment of the industry because these are not like professional consultancy. When we are doing this one, we help them to make them understand this is how you should do it. This is the best profit, what I can say, calculation methodology in terms of Islamic banking. So you should adopt this one. These are the benefits you can get. This is how you can be more Sharia compliant. So these are the suggestions we give. So this is definitely not our role as a solution provider, but we feel like we're definitely a part of this ecosystem. So it's our duty to create this awareness, how people can be more Sharia compliant, how people can grow their business with better technologies.
That's really an amazing offer. And sir, it's kind of harsh question, but could you please tell me, why should I select you as a provider of Sharia-based solutions instead of going to your competitors?
I won't talk about other solution. What we can say about ourselves that from the moment we started in 2001. So it's been more than 2 decades. So from the day one, we always focused on Islamic banking. So our solution is not a byproduct of conventional banking. So what it gives, the vibe is here, like we actually give the highest preference to Islamic finance changes in the industry. We are agile enough to adopt any changes that has been required to be Sharia compliant or any other functionality that is required for Islamic finance industry. So we are ready there because our only concern is what I can say, the Islamic banking itself. And in terms of our solution, it's more we have actually from the technological point of view. We have used the latest technology, which is Java-based microservice technologies. And what I'm saying, what I have already said in my previous question, that we are in a position where your bank can be virtually ready for virtual banking, and not virtually ready, when you're ready for virtual banking. And if you want to open your digital banking, we are there with you, because for digital banking, what do you need? Well, we believe that there are 3 major segments is required. One, digital customer onboarding. Then you need a strong core banking solution for your day-to-day operations. And third, you need a strong integration capability, because in digital banking, you have to integrate with third parties. So there will be lots of cases where you have to integrate with standard APIs with different other entities. We are ready with standard APIs, and as I've told you, that we have used Java-based microservice and also use Kafka connector for any kind of what I can say integration to any third party. So these are the 3 segments we are offering from our solution. And also on the top of it, we have our Sharia compliant solution. We design our solution as of Office standard, and not only it is designed as of Office standard, we got the certification from ISRA Consulting Malaysia. That's what I can say, the sister concern of Bank Negara Malaysia. So they actually evaluate our solution, and they came up with the certificate that Ababil is actually a Sharia compliance solution. We are offering you the up-to-date features of Islamic banking solution. We are giving you an internationally acclaimed and Sharia certificate solution. So these are the reasons you should consider us. And apart from this, as I have said, that we would love to help our partners, our customer in terms of our domain knowledge also.